Giles Montessori and School. Dear students, Giles Montessori and School has developed this program of difficult words with their meanings for English language book for grade 9, 2025 syllabus from National Book Foundation for Federal Board. This will help you to prepare for your reading and comprehension question in board exam. We hope you would like it. Let's start. Unit 1. Difficult words and their meanings. Revered, Qabil Ehtaram, highly respected. Beacon, Roshni ka Minar, our guiding light or inspiration. Epitomized, Mujassam kiya, represented the best example. Advocate, Hamayati, a supporter or promoter. Preaching, Tabligh, teaching religious or moral lessons. Compassion, Hamdardi, deep sympathy and kindness. Legacy, Vartha, what is left behind as an influence. Educating, Taaleem dena, providing knowledge or awareness. Well-being, Bhalai, state of being happy and healthy. Comprehensive, Jama, covering everything, complete. Inclusive, Shamil, not excluding anyone or anything. Encompassed, Ihata karna, included or covered. Dominated, Galibana, controlled or ruled over. Injunctions, Ihkamat, orders or commands. Sunnah, sent, teachings and practices of the Prophet. Occasions, Mawaka, events or instances. Reportedly, Mubina taur par, according to reports. Hellfire, Jahannam ki aag, punishment of the afterlife. Merciless, Berahem, without compassion. Quenched, Bujhana, satisfied thirst or desire. Reflective, Ghor wa fakr karne wala, thought-provoking. Arouse, Ibharna, to awaken a feeling or emotion. Expectations, Tawakkuat, hopes or beliefs about the future. Followers, Pierokar, people who support a leader. Non-followers, Ghair Pierokar, those who do not follow. Approached, Karibana, came near. Arrogantly, Maghrurana, proudly and disrespectfully. Violence, Tashaddud, physical force intended to harm. Grasp, Greft, firm hold. Marks, Nishanat, visible impressions or effects. Neck, Gurdan, part of the body below the head. Messenger, Pegambar, a person who delivers messages. Disturbed, Parishan kiya, bothered or annoyed. Myriads, Beshmar, countless numbers. Lenient, Naram Dal, merciful and forgiving. Spurred, Ubharna, encouraged or motivated. Cruel, Zalim, extremely unkind or brutal. Abandoned, Chhod dena, left behind or gave up on. Hard-hearted, Sakht Dil, without mercy or sympathy. Commandments, Ihkamat, religious or moral laws. Severity, Sakhti, harshness or intensity. Compassionate, Raham Dal, showing deep sympathy. Prisoners, Kedi, people captured during war. Captive, Qaid Shadda, kept as a prisoner. Enemies, Deshman, opponents or foes. Treatment, Sluk, way of behaving towards someone. Inflicted, Musallat Karna, caused pain or suffering. Sufferings, Taklife, pain and hardships. Migrate, Hijarat Karna, to move to another place. Conquered, Fatha kiya, defeated and took control. Bloodshed, Khanrizi, killing and violence. Prophethood, Nabut, the status of being a prophet. Decision, Faisla, a final choice or judgment. Unanimously, Mutafaqqah taur par, with full agreement. Reproach, Sarzansh, blame or disapproval. Honor, Azzat, great respect and dignity. Dignity, Waqar, sense of self-respect. Position, Maqam, status or rank. Status, Haithiyat, social or professional rank. Affectionate, Pyar karne wala, loving and caring. Embrace, Galle lagana, to hug warmly. Beloved, Mahboob, deeply loved. Pity, Raham, compassion for suffering. Forbade, Mana kiya, prohibited or banned. unintelligent, बेअक्ल, lacking intelligence, overburden, ज़्यादा बोझ डालना, to give excessive load, meritorious, काबिल तारीफ, deserving of praise, tending, देखभाल करना, taking care of, traveler, musafir, a person who travels, thirsty, pyasa, needing water, leather, chamra, material from animal skin, sock, moza, a piece of clothing for the foot, pardoned, maaf kiya, forgiven, chicks, bacche, baby birds, nest, ghonsala, a bird's home, screeching, chiekhna, making a high-pitched sound, informed, agah kiya, told or notified, balanced, mutawazin, fair and reasonable, sincere, makhlis, honest and genuine, epitome, behtrin mithal, perfect example, guidance, रहनुमाई, advice or direction, happiness, खुशी, feeling of joy, harmony, हम आएंगे, peaceful coexistence, existence, wujud, the state of being, sustainer, पालने वाला, one who provides and maintains, humanists, insan dost, advocates of human welfare, influence, ether, impact on others, teachings, talimat, lessons or instructions, non-believers, gair momin, people who do not believe, respected, muhtaram, held in high esteem, treated, bartav karna, behaved towards someone, care, dekbhal, concern for others, animals, janor, living creatures other than humans, birds, prande, winged creatures that fly, kindness, maharabani, being gentle and caring, forgiveness, maafi, letting go of mistakes, hardships, mushkilat, difficulties and struggles, companions, sathi, close friends or associates, hope, amid, expectation of good, patience, sabr, tolerance and endurance, generosity, skhawat, willingness to give, wisdom, danai, deep knowledge and judgment, justice, insaf, fair treatment of all, peace, amen, absence of conflict, tolerance, bardasht, acceptance of differences, protection, hafadat, keeping safe, equality, musawat, fair treatment for all, rights, hukuk, entitlements of people, noble, adim, having high moral qualities, prophet, nabi, messenger of God,